What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with it. This look that I'm doing today, I'm a nun. Y'all see? Y'all see? Let me show y'all the picture that I was inspired by. This is the look. I wish I had the contacts. I got some contacts from last year, but they dried out. I need to go buy me some more scary Halloween looking contacts. But yeah, so this is just what the look looks like, and I feel like I did pretty good. Y'all see I got the pointy nose and everything. It didn't take that long. This is really easy, beginner friendly, I feel like. The only thing that wasn't just that beginner was attaching the nose, and I really handmade the nose with paper and scar wax and some spirit gum. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Go follow my Instagram. I'll put it on the screen right here. And yeah, go follow me on Instagram. And stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look.
Here come the po-po, too much murder.